Here is what an 8-year-old Gator Pit looks like after we have done a refurb job on it. This is our Captivator Mobile, or based on the Captivator Mobile, and this pit is 8 years old. It is our rental pit. It was my pit, and we wound up making it a rental pit. And this is what it looks like. Looks brand new, doesn't it? Very nice. 8 years. Did put a new firebox grate in it. That grate lasted us 8 years. And again, this is a rental pit. It gets used all the time. In fact, the last customer that used it liked it so much, they just bought it. Which is why we repainted it. Pretty pit. I'm gonna miss it. I've had it a while. Rich Robin. See ya.